They are coming back, not just to say hello, but to stay forever. Right now, they are feeling a magnetic pull towards you that they cannot ignore. Their heart is heavy with the realization that life without you is empty. In this meditation, you are shifting the energy so that they don't just want you, they realize they need you. For the most permanent results, listen to this every single day for the next 21 days. This is how you hardwire your subconscious for a total reconciliation. Before we begin, type, "They are begging for my love," to claim this energy and anchor it into your reality. Now close your eyes and breathe. Visualize a golden light surrounding you. Feel your value rising. You are the prize. You are irreplaceable. And as you settle in, let go of the how and when. Feel the shift in your chest as you move from wanting them to knowing they are already yours. They are realizing right now that I am the best thing that has ever happened to them. Every cell in their body is screaming for my presence. They are haunted by the beautiful memories we shared. They cannot find peace or rest until they reach out to me. They are drafting a long, heartfelt apology in their mind right now. My energy is so magnetic, they are dropping everyone else just to get to me. They see my face every time they close their eyes. They regret ever letting me go and are ready to make it right. Our connection is divinely protected and unbreakable. They are officially choosing me for life. I am their first and only choice, morning, noon, and night. They are clearing their life to make a permanent room for me. They are ready to publicly claim me and show me off to the world. Every distraction in their life is fading away until only I remain. They crave my voice, my touch, and my energy. They are calling me to tell me they cannot live without me. Our reunion is happening now in the physical realm. They are begging for a second chance, and I am the one in power. They are obsessed with making me happy and secure. No one else can compare to the way I make them feel. They have deleted every other option to be with me exclusively. Our love is stronger now than it has ever been. They are terrified of the thought of losing me forever. They are rushing toward me with a long-term commitment. I am their home, and they are finally coming home. Every word they speak to me is filled with truth and devotion. They are choosing to stay and never leave my side again. I am the queen of their heart and the ruler of their mind. They are obsessed with being my priority. Our souls are intertwined for all eternity. They are begging for my forgiveness and my love. I am the only one they want to build a future with. They are realizing that I am irreplaceable and precious. Our love is a celebration witnessed by everyone. They are staying forever, and our bond is permanent. It is already done. Now see them standing in front of you, looking into your eyes and telling you everything you have been waiting to hear. Feel the weight of their hand in yours. This is your new reality. And if you want to accelerate this process and manifest your specific person even faster, visit my website, joybyjanell.com, for deeper tools and guidance. Now go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.